Hello everyone, in this video Faisal How Gadget will share how to wake screen when you get notification on Vivo Y22, Y35 and other Oppo listed in the title. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. First, open your settings menu. Okay, next you open notification. Okay, next in wake screen for notification you click enable. Okay, next I will test. Yup, successfully. Again I will test. Oops. Okay, successfully. Again. Yup, successfully. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.